Today we are doing coding bat recursion-1 Fibonacci. The problem reads, the Fibonacci sequence is a famous bit of mathematics and it happens to have a recursive definition. The first two values in the sequence are 0 and 1, essentially two base cases. Each subsequent value is the sum of the previous two values, so the whole sequence is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and so on. Define a recursive Fibonacci n method that returns the nth Fibonacci number, with n equals 0 representing the start of the sequence. So let's look at the example. So Fibonacci 0 is 0 because the first number in the sequence is 0. 1 is 1 because it's 1. Those are just like built in. And then 2 is 0 plus 1. Like Fibonacci, the second index would be 0 and 0 plus 1, which is 1. So we would start by writing if n is less than 2, we would return n because if it's less than 2 that means it's 0 or 1 and that would just return 0 or 1 for that. And then else we would return else Fibonacci or yeah, else we would return n minus 1 because we're getting the number in front of it plus Fibonacci n minus 2 because we're getting the number in front of that one. And it looks like if we run it, that will work. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.